Okay, here we go. Now we are playing Target 5. So in order to play this game, you need 2 dice that are 1 to 6 dice, and then you need 3 dice that are each 4 to 9. Okay? So once you have those, you're ready to go. You're ready to play. So first, I'm going to roll for our target number. It just has to be that way because I'm not in the room to play with you. So we're going to go with my target number. And you'll be like, oh, okay, Miss Everly, that's awesome. Go for it. Okay, here I go. Let's make a good target number. Here's what I got. Okay. So we have 8, 5, a 4, an 8, and a 6. So I'm thinking 85,000 should we go with? Or should we go with, let's go with maybe, well, yeah, let's try a 65,488. How about that? Well, really, you don't have a choice. You're just going to have to go with what I got. So our target number is 65,488. All right, you got it? Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and go first. And I'm trying to, okay, I have to write out first the digits I rolled. So I rolled a 1, an 8, a 6, a 6. Oh my gosh, 3 6s. A 1 and an 8. Okay, and I need to try and make a number as close to 65,000 as I can. Okay, so I'm going to go 60. Oh man, 66. And it does say in the directions you can go over. So I could either go 66,000 or 61,000. Which one would be closer? 66. So I'm going to do that. 66,000. And now that's over that. So now I want to get down closer to it. So instead of going 800, I'm going to go 100. And what's going to be closer to it is a small 100 number. So 68 or 86 is going to be 68 is going to be closer. So that's what I'm going with. I'm going with 66,168. Okay, and now I have to see how close I am to the target number. And I think I am... I'm not like super close, but I'm pretty close. So I feel alright about it. Okay, so I'm going to subtract it to see how close I really was. Okay, let's see. So this one was bigger that I got, so I'm going to put that on the top. Minus 65,488. And now I'm going to go ahead and subtract 0. Got to regroup. Bring it over. 16 minus 8 is 8. Ooh, regroup. 5 and make that a 10. So now I got 10 minus 4 and then 0, 0. So I had a score of 680. You might be laughing at me on that one because 680, yeah, that's pretty far away, but at least it's under 1,000. So that's all right. It's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to try again. Roll number 2. So this is round 2. And we have 5 rounds. Oh my gosh. Okay, roll number 2. Come on. Ooh, man. 65,000 is our target number. And I can make a 65,000 out of this. Yes. I think this is going to be good. All right, I got a 65,400. Now I could either go with 43 or 34. Well, both of them are under this number, so I want to get as close as possible. So I'm going to go with 43 because that's closer to 88. So there is my number, 65,443. And now that is so close. And I'm thinking in my brain how close that is. 65,443. How close that is to 65,488. That's super close. I could just skip 7 and I'd be at 50. 65,450. And then another 30 would take me to 88. So that's 37 away. That's a difference of 37, but let me check it in the algorithm. So I have 65,488 minus 65,443. And I got a 5, I got a 4, 8. That's a 5, that's a 4. Is that what I got? How did that mess up? 50, 60, 70, 80. 43 to 50 is 7. That's 37. Why is this one 45? There's something fishy here, guys. That's what's cool about math. Like, what did I do wrong here? You might find it before me. 7. I got 37 up here. 50, 60, 70, 80. That's 30. 8, 5, 8. 65443. 65488. What is going on? 43 plus 7 more would be 50. So why am I not getting the same answer? See, this is a process called, what am I doing wrong? Why did I get the same answer when I did it on the number line and in the algorithm? You might be saying, Miss Everly, we already figured it out. Well, good for you. I got it. I figured it out, guys. I can see it now. And it makes me so excited that I figured it out. It made my brain grow. Okay, love it. All right, so when I went 30 more, I actually just made it to 80. 65,480, which means I need to get to 88. So I need to go 8 more right here. So 30 plus 8 plus 7 is going to give me 45. Yeah! I'm kind of glad that happened to me. Get a mistake like that, because it makes me think. It makes me think hard. That one was a toughie to figure out. What the heck was I missing? And I figured it out. Okay, that was only round 2. And my score was so much better. So that was awesome. Okay, I'm going to go round 3 on this. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, I got... Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Well, I have no 6. I don't have a 60-something. So, that's not that great. I could go 50-something, or I could go 70-something. Man, this has strategy to it. If I go 50-something, how close can I get? 59. I can go 59. Whereas if I go 70-something, I'd be at 72. So I'm going 59,000. That's going to get me closer. 59,000. Now I want to make my hundreds as big as possible. So I'm going to go 872. Okay, there's my number, and I'm going with it. So, here I go. Here's my number. My score is going to be pretty big this time, but you do what you can. 59,872. And now I need to find the difference between 65,488 and 59,872. Alrighty then. Now I'm just, this is looking okay on the algorithm side. So I could go ahead and go with it. See what I get. Let's see. 6, 1, have to regroup. And now I'm at 6. And then regroup. 14 minus 9 is 5. Yeah, I told you it's going to be quite a bit for my score. 5,616. And if I wasn't sure if I got that actual number right, I could again see if I get the same number on the number line. 59,872. Or you know what? I could bump it up to make it 60,000. And that would make it really easy for me to subtract. But the question is, what do I have to go up by to get to 60,000? I'd have to go up by, let's see, 72, that'd be 30, 28. 28 to get to 900. So 128, I'd have to bump it up to get to 60,000. So I'm going to do that here, which means my problem would become 60,000 on the bottom. And on the top, I would need to add 65,488 plus 128. So I'd have to add 100 to this, which would be 588. And then I'd have to add another 20 and plus another 8. So that bumps me to 600. That's 88, 98, 608 plus another 8, which is 616. So that would bump me to 65,616. So if I subtract that, see how the algorithm then becomes way better? But you're like, man, Miss Everly, you had to really use some brain power right there. Yeah, I did. But it's pretty cool, guys, when I can show that I got the same answer using 2 different ways, and I don't have to ask the teacher, hey, did I get the right answer? I actually increased my brain power by doing it 2 different ways.